Diyan ka. Diyan. Yan. Go, go.
Huh? I go my room.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
My room.
Where?
This is my room.
Okay, go. Diyos ko. Bakit ganyan tsura mo? How many stars is
1,
that?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hoy, that's 5 only. What? Where are we going to send it?
Lola Auntie.
Why? Where are we going to send it to Lola?
Because I good at school.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm good at sleepy.
Oh, you're good at sleeping? You sleep at school? Wow, that's great. Okay, let's go.
Let's go message teacher.